Good morning. This is a recording for Saturday, January 27th. Today I'm going to read for you from the book of Awakening by Mark Nepo, the essay that is titled, We Are Born Singing. And then, of course, we're going to do a practice around it, as always. Song is not a luxury, but a necessary way of being in the world. Somehow we have been fooled into thinking that song is entertainment, something we can do without, like dessert. But to give voice to what lives inside is what keeps all things possible. In truth, the minute we arrive, we are born singing, though this is often mistaken for crying. Yet without this deep reflex, the lungs won't work, and the lifelong exchange between inner and outer cannot begin. I remember my first day alone at home after my rib surgery. For the first time in months, everything was still. The morning light now filling the space where my rib used to be. Suddenly, finally, I began to weep, loudly, as pockets of fear and pain and exhaustion escaped. This release was a song, and what I hadn't realized was that once released, once the build-up of my journey was given a way out, life with its thousand energies and softnesses could come in. Such a simple secret. By letting things out, we also let things in. So if you're cut off, in pain, estranged, numb, sing. Give voice to anything. It doesn't need to sound pretty. Simply, bravely, open despite the difficulty, and let what is in out, and what is out in. Sing, and your life will continue. Take a comfortable position, and as always, take a few moments to settle. Settle into your body, your heart, your mind. Settle into this moment, right here, right now. Let your breath be natural and soft, and see if you can trace the trajectory of your breath from the moment the air in front of you becomes your breath as you inhale to the moment when you exhale, releasing your breath back into the air, back into the world, merging the inner and the outer and the inner. Do a few breath cycles like this, taking in the air, transforming it into your breath, and bringing your breath back into the world through your exhale, releasing. As you do this, see if you can find a sense of freedom, a sense of spaciousness in your breathing. Allow all the experiences of the present moment, physical sensations, thoughts, emotions, to flow through you as energy that they are, without struggle, without stifling. Now take a moment to locate one pocket of pain or fear or exhaustion that is building inside you. Gently, without forcing anything, breathe your way into that pocket. Inhale into the buildup, and as you exhale, let what's in there make its way into the world. Continue breathing and visualizing this way. And as you do this, realize that your breath is the passageway that connects your inner buildup with the air of the world. Realize that the sound of your breath is the quietest of songs. Now place your hands on your heart and send yourself the energy of loving kindness. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I know deep, natural peace. And now, as you gently let go of your practice, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? As you go through your day today, I invite you to continue with this reflection. Perhaps you can journal or simply think on other pockets of pain, fear, and exhaustion that are building up in your system. As you recognize one of those pockets, instead of turning away and trying to distract yourself from your suffering, use your breath as the passageway that connects your inner buildup with the air of the world. Let the quiet song of your pain come out with your breath. Remember, our song is not a luxury, but a necessity, a way of being in the world. Sing, and your life will continue. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a gorgeous day, and I will see you tomorrow.